Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle the best brightness or auto brightness mode on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. So first of all, we're gonna have to reach for the joystick on the back side, which is located on the back side of the monitor. Press it once, then move it upwards to highlight menu. Press it once again to open this menu, and then navigate down to system settings. To navigate here, use up and down joystick movements. Then in system menu, you're gonna have to scroll down until you find best brightness option, and to enable it, click your joystick once you highlight this option and select on. And this way your brightness will automatically adapt based to your ambient environment, and it will give you the best brightness level possible. If you want to disable this feature, navigate to off, and that's it. And to exit, just move your joystick to the left 2 times. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.